In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Microsoft Teams chat history step by step. Whether you're looking to save important conversations or need a record for your records, exporting your chat history is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Teams. You can easily find it by searching Microsoft Teams in your preferred search engine, like Google. Once you're there, you'll arrive at the main landing page of Microsoft Teams where you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Next, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials at hand since you'll need them to access your account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Complete these fields and make sure you've entered them correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll see your Microsoft Teams interface. From here, glance to the top of the screen where your profile picture or initials might be visible. Click on your profile, which will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled My Microsoft Account. Click on it, and this will redirect you to your main Microsoft account page. This is the control center for your Microsoft services and privacy settings. Once on your Microsoft account page, you need to focus on the privacy settings. Look for a tab or section labeled Privacy and click on it. This section allows you to manage the data and privacy settings across your Microsoft applications, including Teams. Within the privacy settings, navigate to the section specifically for Teams. This is where you'll find options related to your Microsoft Teams data and history. Click on Teams to delve deeper into these settings. Now you'll see an array of options regarding your Teams data. Look for an option that mentions chat history. There'll be a checkbox next to this option. Click it to select your chat history for export. After selecting your chat history, the next step is to submit a request for export. There should be a button labeled Submit Request visible on this page. Clicking this will trigger the export process. Finally, once you've submitted your request, you may be prompted to confirm your action. If an option to continue appears, click it to finalize the export process. This ensures everything is submitted correctly and that Microsoft begins preparing your chat history for download. And there you have it. Once the export is ready, Microsoft will notify you. Ensure you follow any further instructions provided to download your exported chat history safely. Remember, this process might take some time, depending on the amount of data being exported. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.